Can you believe? All new energy vehicles using charging robots. This is a 90 kWh mobile charging robot in the service area of the old community scenic spot, and those that do not meet the conditions for building charging piles, underground garage, etc. Several mobile charging robots can be placed in a 5,000 square meter underground parking lot. We deploy 2 to 4 charging robots. The charging robot can choose manual driving, remote control driving solution. Now we use this remote pilot charging new energy vehicles that need to be charged. Departure to the charging station, adjust parking position. Get the gun ready to charge. The charging gun cable is 2 meters long, enough to handle all charging scenarios. Insert the gun and scan the code to activate it. Page input required power. OK to start charging. Charging waiting. Charging is over. Return the robot to standby.